Hi there! In this video we're going to see how to configure our account in Digitail. So let's get to administration, go to clinic profile and then click on clinic account. Here we will find all the information of our practice, such as the name, email, phone number, address, the website, the logo and much more. Most of the details should already be configured by the Digitail team, but you can delete or update them anytime. The logo is very important as it will appear on all of the emails and the reminders you send to the clients, on the records summaries and on the online appointments page. From this page, you can also set a public message for your online appointments page. This can be used to include extra information such as emergency phone numbers, prices, or some general notes. We can type here like welcome to vet clinic. For emergencies, dial 0440. So that's all you have to do to configure your account. Bye!